Hi everybody, how are you all? I always believe you all are doing great and learning this language happily, blissfully. Yeah. So today we will talk about what can we do if we are not able to use any phrases, any idioms, any vocabulary, and it's not because we are not able to use, we are not able to pick those idioms, phrases, whatever it is, but it is not happening. Yes, the more we try, the more we forget. Yes, the more it doesn't appear in our mind, especially in practice time. So I have brought a great idea in this lesson and I will just spit out to you all. So what we have to do, you have to take a piece of page and paper and you have to write those phrases, those idioms, vocabularies, whatever it is, which you want to use while speaking with real people. Yes, which you want to pick up, and you will do it when you talk with real people. Yes, and I have done it a number of times, so many times, and it perfectly works. It perfectly fit our mind. Yes, and this is a great idea. This is really nice idea. Anyway, I didn't figure it out by myself. I was watching one YouTuber and he was giving to people to do this thing. And that's the reason. For this reason, I also decided to reveal this secret to you all because everybody is struggling. They are not struggling. They are struggling very badly, yeah. So this was the thing. And there are some people, whatever they want to use, they write down phrases, vocabularies on the piece of paper, and while talking with real people, they attempt to use, they strive to use, and this way they become fluent gradually, they become fluent slowly but surely. Yeah, I think a person should follow these tips from the very beginning, from day one. Yes, because yes, this method is utterly helpful and you will find confidence in your speaking because you will be speaking while having look to those phrases, sentence, phrasal verbs, whatever it is. And for how many days can you do this? How many days can you follow this? So this thing totally depends on you. Yes, but I personally, I personally and strongly advise you follow these tips as long as you don't find those sentences, those idioms, those phrases quite natural. I mean, super common. When you feel now I can speak these phrases at any time. I cannot hesitate. I cannot feel hesitation. Yeah. And keep on learning this language, keep on improving because confidence grows by consistency, by repetition, by speaking English practice every single day. Yes, it doesn't grow by practicing occasionally. Yes, it doesn't grow by writing, doesn't grow by learning grammar rules. It only grows when you talk with, when you use. Yes.